The Omaha Fire Department teams up with the Red Cross and the First Responders Foundation, giving away hundreds of free smoke detectors today. New tonight, KETV News Watch 7's Molly Miles shows us the dedicated volunteers with an important reminder for you.
Firefighters usually respond to emergencies, but Saturday these first responders were visiting homes across South Omaha in hopes of preventing a return trip.
I don't think people understand how fast that the fire can spread, and so having that smoke detector, that early warning so you can get yourself out, get your entire family out, is so very important. We've had so many tragedies here in the past couple of years. We just don't want to see that happen again.
Most recently, the South Omaha rooming house fire. 2 people died. Fire officials say the structure had smoke detectors, but they weren't working.
These detectors here are a smoke, CO, long life battery that is tamper resistant. So once you put it up, it's up and it's good for 10 years.
Over 100 volunteers were out giving away hundreds of the life-saving devices. Captain Melanie Bates telling us it goes beyond just giving someone a detector, though.
We were finding them in people's drawers after a house fire. And so now we're making sure that they're up. We're making sure that people understand how to use them.
Along with giving them tips on how to avoid having a fire in the first place and what to do if one ever starts.
Have an escape plan just in case of a fire.
Also, that space heater is kind of close to the drapes. They go to a lot of fires caused by space heaters.
With local bilingual students helping make sure a language barrier doesn't stop people from getting the help they might need.
It really does provide peace of mind.
Now the group plans to hit more neighborhoods in the coming months. In South Omaha, Molly Miles, KETV News Watch 7.
Along with a grant from FEMA, the First Responders Foundation raises money to buy those smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. If you need one, call the number on your screen. It's 402-444-3560.